Hello, welcome. Question number 2, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Student. If alpha and beta are the root of an exponential of an equation such that alpha square plus beta square equals to 21 and alpha plus beta is minus 3, we have to find equation whose roots are given as alpha divided by beta minus 2 and beta divided by alpha minus 2. Under quadratic equation, in order to find equation of to find an equation when the roots are given, we need to know the sum of roots, which already we know this. We also need to know product from the existing equation. You can see that we only know the sum. So we also need to know the product of the alpha times what? Beta. And in order to do that, we can recall that this very one we see here as in alpha square plus beta square. Let me include the 21. What we are seeing here can be written as expansion of a binomial term. If I have a plus b square, we square the first twice their product, then we square what? The last. You can see that. So this we are seeing here is more or less a square b square plus 2ab. So what we are seeing here, we can say this is equals to this if we are able to subtract the 2ab from inside. You see, a square plus b square plus 2ab. I said the whole of this is equals to this square. That will not be true because there is an essence of 2ab. So if I take it from the square, I've represented the a square and the b square inside that bracket. So all I can do is that this become a bracket of alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha what? Beta still equals to 21. Say that this is the same as this, because if I expand this bracket, I'll be having 2ab inside there as the third term. When I add this one, it becomes 0. So now I can see this very one is a alpha plus beta, which is alpha plus beta is negative 3. So you can see it here. I can have my negative 3 all square equals to, I think it's minus 2 alpha beta equals to 21. This is what you're looking for because we already know the sum. We need the product. So we may take this, transfer this away. So minus 2 alpha beta 21. If you square a negative 3, it becomes 9. So now the 9 goes to become what? Negative 9. So let's see if we make the alpha beta the subject, what we are going to get. I think this is going to be 11, right? Will it be 11? Yes, I think so. So negative 2 alpha beta equals to 11. Alpha beta will be negative 11 over 2, or 2 over 11 over negative 2 is still the same as negative 11 over 2. So this is the product of root, and this is what? The sum of root. Okay, but we are being given a different root to find each equation. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So we need to know the sum of the root. So sum of root of the first one, we have been given this plus this. So we need to find the sum of this, which is representing something like this. All right. So what do? We can find an LCM, which is going to be, let me bring the alpha first, minus 2 beta minus 2. This go here, cancel itself, remaining this, multiply the alpha, which means I'll be having alpha minus 2 plus this will cancel this, remaining this, beta minus what? 2. I think we can expand further. This will give you alpha square 2 alpha beta square minus 2 what? Beta. Let's go down. This is multiplying this alpha beta negative 2 alpha negative 2 beta plus what? 4. Alright. I think this and this can come together, and this will also be together. So I can have my alpha square plus beta square, then minus, let me put a 2 in there. If I take in the alpha, I'll take in the beta, divided by, what can I see? I still see alpha beta. If I take away negative 2 out, alpha plus beta plus what? 4. Now, this right here, we know it. Where is it? The square. All of this is given to us as what? 21. We can put the 21 there, or better still, we can decide to re-expand this in this form, get the multiplication as that, and the addition and combine. You still come back to the same thing. So let's see how we can do that substitution. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this. Okay, let's maintain the negative 2 alpha beta equals to 11 plus this 20. So we have 12. So maintain your alpha beta equals to 12 divided by what? Negative 2. And that gives us what? Negative 6, meaning the product of the root we are looking for has been seen. The sum of the root has also been derived. So the next thing to do is to find the sum of this root that we are finding its equation. So I only find sum of what? Root. What are the root? First one is alpha beta minus 2 plus beta alpha minus what? 2. This will have an LCM of the combination of the denominators. So let's see, I have alpha minus 2 as the first one, beta minus 2. This is dividing the whole of this. So to cancel itself, remaining this multiply the alpha. So alpha minus 2. This will also cancel itself, remaining beta minus 2 times beta. Beta minus what? 2. Let's move forward and expand by removing the bracket. So alpha square minus 2 alpha beta square minus 2 beta. This will be alpha beta minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus what? 4. Alright, let's group them. I can see alpha square beta square is a known quantity or figure we have in the beginning. Then minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta. Minus 2 is common, so I take it out. Remaining alpha plus what? Beta. Open the bracket, and negative 2 alpha, negative 2 beta. Divided by, what can I do? I still have alpha, beta, negative 2 as a common factor, leaving alpha plus what? Beta plus what? 4. So what will happen here? I know what alpha square plus beta square is. Right from the beginning, it's given as 21. I know the product, I know the sum. I only do substitution, then I move on. So let's do substitution into this place and see what the value is going to be. So right from here, I still have 21, replacing that, minus 2 multiplying the sum of root given in the beginning as minus 3, divided by the product as minus 6 we had, then minus 2 multiplying minus 3 plus what? 4. That 4 is there. Can we move horizontal? Okay, I think we can move horizontal. So let's go. This is going to be 21, this times this. is going to give you a negative what? 6 times this. So we have positive 6, right? Then here will be a positive 6, so 0. We have 4. This will give me 27 on what? 4. So what I am finding here, or the value of this, is actually the sum of root of the two roots I've been given. So what will be the next thing to do? We need to find the product of root also. So let's see. Product of root. What are the roots? We have alpha beta minus 2 times beta, I think alpha minus 2. By multiplication, the numerators will multiply alpha by beta. This is going to be, okay, let me repeat first. Alpha minus 2, alpha, no, this will be beta minus 2. I think I have that before. Okay, let's come down again. Alpha beta divided by this denominator has been found like this already. So I'll only go ahead, have my alpha beta. Then what happened? Minus 2 alpha plus beta plus 4. This is going to be the product, minus 6. This is going to be the product, minus 6. I could have just even keep the answer of this as 4 directly, but let's go. This is minus 2 and minus 3 plus what? 4. I should be having my negative 6 on top over 4 equals to negative 3 over 2. So this become the product of roots. This become the sum of roots. So we can say that the new equation, I might be talking too fast because I'm having cold, so bear with me. How do we find equation? We know when the roots are given, it is x squared minus what? The sum of root. Times x plus what? Product of root. All equals to what? 0. So what do we do? Remember, this sum and this product is referring to the new sum and the product we have, not the beginning, because that was what we used as a basics to find the sum and root of the second equation. So let's go. We have x squared minus sum of root, 27, right? Over 4x plus product of roots. What do we have? Negative 3 on 2, all equals what? 0. Right here, I can see that the LCM is going to be what? 4. So let's multiply through by 4. That gives us 4x squared, 27x. When 4 multiply here become 2. So minus 6 equals what? 0. I think we can leave it the way it is. This is going to be the equation of the root, which has the alpha over beta minus 2 and beta over alpha minus 2. Again, the concept employed in this is also understood by you. Take your time and follow through. Ask questions in the comment section. Share with your friends, and let's keep learning.